Welcome back to another Funko unboxing, and actually this is going to be a Funko slash Loungefly because they're owned by the same company. I feel like now, like I've stated in a previous video, this should be called Come On Funko Loungefly. Really? It seems like I've been having more and more issues with Funko and Loungefly sending the wrong things. I have a box here from Funko slash Loungefly. We'll just call them Funko from now on. One, they started shipping with DHL, which is a terrible shipping service. Everything gets lost, everything gets delayed. I don't know why people use this. My package has been in limbo for the last 5 days. I contacted Funko. I tried to get them to figure out where it was. It was only today that the package actually randomly arrived. So let's take a look at this package right here. It looks all right? I peeled the shipping label off, but now I want to turn it to this way. This box is crushed and it's not even closed. Look at this. They used Scotch tape to try to just kind of put it up there. I'm assuming that maybe the post office did that. There's one on that side and there's one on this side right here. Scotch tape. I mean, come on. The tape is going all down this side, but there's nothing on this side. So to open it up, that's all I have to do. Let's get this thing opened up the rest of the way and make sure I have everything that I ordered. Bubble wrap. Well, it looks like I have 3 items in here. From what I'm seeing, they look correct. Let's take a look at what we got. So let me tell you the genesis of this order. I randomly clicked on Funko and Loungefly one day and I was just like, oh, they're having a huge blowout sale. There was an item on there that way back when it was first released that Teia really wanted to get, but the price was just so cost prohibitive. However, now, like 50% off. Plus there was one other thing. And to round out free shipping, which it's up to $65 for free shipping, I went ahead and added one extra item to that thing. Let's start with that one item that I added to my order, and it is a Funko. This is the Angry Donald Duck. This is Donald Duck's 90th this year. There have been a lot of Donald Duck items that have been everywhere, and obviously Funko had their own as well. We'll happily add that to our collection back here. So this Funko was originally $12, but on sale it was $9.60. The next item, this is a wallet. There is a matching Loungefly bag to this one, but unfortunately it's a bag that's one of the circular ones. Teia doesn't like those. I remember seeing this months and months ago, and I knew I was at some point going to get this for Teia. This is the wallet that matches the Mickey Mouse watch, so it actually looks like a watch band that goes around your wrist. This wallet was originally $40, but on sale I got it for half off, and that was $20. The last item I have in this box, this was the main reason for placing this order. Look at that. And look at that, it spins. So this is the Steamboat Willie Crossbody bag. It's actually quite large. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. This was originally $95, but I got it on sale for $47.50. That is 50% off. We're gonna take a look at kind of the ins and outs of this really quickly. It opens up, but this also opens up. This almost looks like a little coin holder. These are all magnetically shut, but there's also a zipper right here. And it comes with a strap. And the inside, oh my God, look at that. Steamboat Willie all over the place. And then the back of the bag, this is interesting because it actually has something different right here. This says Stitch Shop by Loungefly. I've never seen that before. It's got Steamboat Willie and it's got Minnie Mouse on one side, and on the other side it's the parrot and Stinky Pete. I really like this. I actually got this for Teia for our anniversary, which is coming up very soon. So this came at the perfect time. Let's recap what we got. Obviously, the Steamboat Willie crossbody bag right here. We also picked up the Mickey Mouse watch, wallet, and the Angry Donald for Donald Duck's 90th anniversary. Were you able to take advantage of this Funko slash Loungefly sale that they had a couple of weeks ago? Put it in the comments below what you decided to buy and what you like to collect. And do you always have to add that extra little bit to get the free shipping? With that said, until our next unboxing, remember, no capes.
No capes!